In a green village, where the greenery of the fields is spread all around. Two friends Ravi and Mohan are together since childhood. They always help each other and fill every moment with laughter and happiness. One day a serious problem arises in the village. The water of the village pond starts drying up and people's farming is in danger. How can you guys create such a video from your mobile, that too with the help of AI? And in this, you guys don't have to do anything, just have to put one and your video is complete. It will be possible to become one. I will tell you everything from A to Z, so watch the video. Watch it carefully, only then you people will understand everything. So in the video I will tell you. If I tell you 5 steps, you guys should not miss even one of them. You will miss even one of them. Then you people will not understand anything and you people will never create such a video. You will be able to do it, and I tell you in advance that this will be 100% monetized in this copy. If it is free, then you guys don't have to worry about this thing. Let us tell you how to do it. If we want to create, then first of all, what is our script writing? Where to write the script from? Everyone knows that Chat is GPT, so what will we do? We will go to Google and search here. After searching ChatGPT like this, you will have to click on the first website only. After clicking, you have to click on the Start Now option from here. Do it, and whatever I tell you here, you can directly paste it. What you have to do is to paste this, so first of all you guys take a screenshot of this. Hit it and look here. I know what you guys want to write after the short story. I tell you guys, whatever kind of video you want to create here, you can do it here. Have to write it like here. I am creating 2 friends in village means I will make a story of 2 friends here, so you all can make it according to your wish. So here you can tell a ghost story, you can tell a stupid story, so what do you want to do? You have to click on this arrow option. As soon as you click, first of all you will be able to save your data. Check it out. If your data is turned off, turn it on and see our status here. Script writing has started. The name of my story is Dust Key Door. What a name it is, but it's nothing. I am just showing it to you guys as an example. You guys first understand, and yes, here our script along with the front of the photo has also come to create the image. It will be very easy for me now. See what you have to do here. Scene 1, scene 2 is visible. It must have been like this. This is the scene. Kill them all one by one. Screenshot means anything. Now look, after taking the screenshot you guys don't have to do anything again. You have to go to Google and here next to it, a scanner option will be coming up, so you guys have to click on it. As soon as you click, you will see the screenshot of all the scenes which you have taken. We have to take it again line by line, i.e. we have to add it like scene 1 here. So what do? We will add this, and what we will do from here is we will crop it. After cropping this, we will copy the script. It is the prompt below. We will see it later. First, we will copy this. Now our second step has started here. What do we do in the second step? We will generate the voice. To generate the voice, what will we do? We will go to Google. So what will we search here? Desi House. Sorry, Desi Vocal AI. Yes, so after searching here. But what we will do is click on the first option. After clicking, click on Get Here. If you see the Start option, first of all you have to log in by clicking on it. You have to log in. You can do it through Google or through email. I don't know. You just need to log in. After logging in, what do you guys need to do from here is to log in to gender. You have to select it. Like if you are male, then select male, or if you are female, then select female. Select, and here you can also select your language as here. But if we select Hindi, then after this is done, what will we do here? Third, if the standard option will be coming on the number, then you guys have to click on it like. When you click on it, an interface like this will appear. Now see what you have to do. Whatever we had copied from scene 1, we will paste it here directly. After this, the generate option will be visible here, so you guys have to click on it. After doing this, wait for a while, your voice will be generated, and from here you can download the voice. First listen to how we have made it, and if you like the voice, then download it from here. Now look here, the second step is also over. Now here it is the turn of the third step, which is generate image. So to generate the image, first of all, what will we do? We will go to Google, and here we will search what does it mean. We are creating an image, so there will be an option next to the scanner, you know. All you have to do is click on this and you will get the screenshot of scene 1. You have to click on it and look here, the Chrome option is coming at the bottom. It would be the screenshot that you guys had taken, so from here you can crop it and save it. To be copied. Now see, after the prompt is copied, you guys have to directly search Bing again. After searching for image creator, you should click on the first website only. As soon as you click, you will see there is an option in the first place, so you can click on it and go inside. You have to go. As soon as you go inside, he will perform RD for you, means the first thing he will say is, for you people to log in. If you have come for the first time, then if you people log in. If you face any problem, then you guys should go and watch this video. It has solution for everything. He is your brother. Now you have logged in. Now what do you want to do? Here you guys have to paste the copy of the prompt. After pasting, you have to click on the create option from here. As soon as you click on the create option, you will have to wait for some time and your photo will be ready. So look here, your photo has been ready. Now what do you people think? All you have to do is click on whichever photo you like after going to the 3-dot option here. When the resize option comes up, you guys have to click on it and you guys have to click here. You have to click on the landscape option, and as soon as you click, you have to wait for some time. There will be a boom. Your photo will come in the frame rate of YouTube, which is 16:9 after this is done. You guys can download it from here. Now this step is also completed. Now this is our 4th step here, which is image to video. I will tell you how to convert image to video. Yes, look at it carefully, then you have to go to Google again, and here you have to search Runway. After searching AI, you will see the website first. You have to click on it. After doing this, if you go inside here, then you will find a girl here. Then you people have to kiss her. You don't have to do anything. The try Runway option will appear below. You just have to click on it. After clicking on this, it will ask you to log in, so you should log in. Now look, after logging in, you just cut it from here and an interface like this will open up. What you guys have to do is scroll down a bit and there is an option here. There will be text, image to video, so you guys have to click on this. Keep in mind this is Chinese. You guys should click on it only if it is a girl. After clicking on it, you have to cut it. After cutting, you guys add your scene 1 photo from here. After adding it, what do you guys want to do? You guys had taken the screenshot of scene 1, so you guys have to do it. You have to copy the script and after pasting it, click on the generate option from here. After clicking, such an interface will open, so don't worry, just wait for a while. It will automatically reach 100 and then your video will appear. See ours here. The video has arrived. Let us turn it on and show you how amazing our video has become. What we will do is download the video by clicking on the 3-dot option here. Now look, all our work is done. Only one work is left, which is video editing. So step 5, what you have to do is go to any video editing app like. That's it, CapCut and Master, or in short it's just normal editing. You guys don't need much. If I don't want to do this, then I'm going to use the InShot app, so I will go inside the InShot app. I will go and add the photo scene line by line in this manner, and what do we do from here? We will go to the music option and from here we will add the audio that we have generated. So after this is done, you guys have to cut the audio properly and add it like. Editing it this way means that after all this is done, you people don't have to do anything. From here, we can zoom in on the photo a bit and now you can try it out. If there is something missing, then you guys can add it to it, like first I will add the zoom to it. Let me zoom out in this way by applying a frame. What will you guys see after this is done? You have to do this. This pencil option will appear between both the photos, then you people have to click on it. This is obviously a transition, so what should you do after clicking on this? A lot of options will open up, so you guys should select one of them in all the photos which. Right. I will add the transition in this way. Now our final video has been created. Yes, I will show it to you guys. See how amazing our video has become. I hope you guys understood the video. I tried very hard to keep the video simple. I did whatever I could to make it. Rest of you guys can easily make it in your smartphone and you can earn a lot of money by uploading it on YouTube. How did you like the rest of the video? Tell us in the comments and share this video with your friends too. Okay, see you with a new tutorial video. Till then, bye bye and take care.